Chelsea comes to town, the town shuts down. And that's exactly what's going on in Enugu right now.
It's not good.
Today, after this walk to our alma mater,
it's an important landmark because they to recognize the school where they came from.
I'm so fit, I'm so excited.
Anybody that missed this one, have yourself to blame.
You see our Ogene people leading us to the occasion, leading us to do the road work in the most pleasant and pleasurable way that anybody wants. And we are taking a feel from it and we are enjoying the whole atmosphere. Thank you very much.